Everybody, APC! Thank you very much. Opponent! My father, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. To assure our national chairman and all the members of the APC that we have come to add value, and it is time to take our state back. It is time to take our state back. He is an achiever. He is focused. He knows the meaning of development. He is all out to ensure total development of Edoelection State. I know that come September 21st, we are going to lead the other party by mile. Nobody is going to stop us, because we are bringing practical governance into this state. I ask the Commissioner of Police to defend the integrity of his uniform. In your name, I invite the IG to consider the killing in broad daylight of one of his officers as a national assignment.